This was actually gifted to me by Prada. Hey guys, it's Ollie from, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I'll give you guys like a small update. So I went to Lisbon, which I said I would vlog and didn't vlog. And then I went to London Fashion Week, which was amazing, which I should have vlogged. And then I went to Milan Fashion Week, should have vlogged that as well, but I didn't. I just feel like I was just doing so much Instagram content, TikTok content. YouTube is going to be a focus. It's going to be a focus from now on. So I thought in this video I would show you guys my like current bag collection, my bag collection in general, and give you a little like story time behind each bag, when I got it, how I got it, all of that and everything else. So let's get into the video. The first bag I'm going to start with is this bag. This trusty bag. If you guys follow me on Instagram, like maybe 2020, 2021, this bag did not leave my body. This was like the first proper expensive bag I bought. Like first bag over £1,000 that I bought. Actually, I think it was just under. I think it was like £900, and I think I just got promoted at work at my old job, and I was like, I'm gonna treat myself, because it was lockdown as well, so like I was able to save a bit of money, so I was like, let's treat myself. But this bag is such a staple. Like I thought because it was nylon, I'd be like, oh, like is that a bit expensive for a nylon bag? But for me, for someone that doesn't necessarily treat their bags amazingly well, it's been great, because one, it's black, and two, it's nylon, so if you get it dirty and just like wipe it off, it's just so easy to style. Like, so nice, holds so much. What is in here? Oh, some Polaroids. Would definitely recommend this as like a good starting bag if you wanted to get into some designer bags, and it's Prada. You can't go wrong with Prada. My next bag is this beauty right here. I just absolutely love this bag. You can fit nothing in it. There's nothing you can, like, it looks big, but it's so small. Like you can literally fit nothing in this bag. So if it's something that you want for like a everyday bag, if you want, like, because it comes in a few colors, I wouldn't recommend this bag. It's more of like a statement piece. But the story behind this bag was I went to like a sushi restaurant in Soho in London with my friends, and we didn't even eat. We just sat down and was like, oh, can we have a drink? Can we have a drink? And we just kept saying like, because we was in like a good combo, we just kept saying like, oh yeah, we'll have another drink, have another drink, have another drink, have another drink. The bill comes and it's like 300 and something pounds, and we're like, I was like, you know what? I've already spent that. Let's go Selfridges. So we took an Uber to Selfridges, and then I walked in and I saw this. This was at the end of summer last year, and I was like, wow, I'm obsessed. So obviously I bought it, and I've honestly worn it so much. Like even I wear it right now. Like I just love like clashing patterns. That I'd literally wear it right now. I'd wear it with pink, wear it with blue, wear it with green, wear it with yellow, anything. Like it's just so quite easy to style. So yeah, and it was reasonably priced. I think it was like £500 or £600, which was still a lot of money, but not obviously in thousands. So I love this little fairy guy. In my next bag, it's just spontaneous trips, just what gets me. I went to, I think it was like Westfield in London, went out for food with my brother and his girlfriend, and we were just chilling, walked into Prada, and I was like, oh, I really need a white bag. I really need a white bag. So then I saw this little guy, and I was like, yeah, it's cute. I've worn it loads of times. Again, it's nylon. This one's a lot harder to clean because it's white, but like it just goes with like every little outfit, you know. I wish the only thing about this bag is I wish it had like a crossbody. That would have been great, but it doesn't. But you can tell like it's got like marks.
You're done. You're done.
It's got like pen. It's got pen on it. But no, this little bag is great. It needs a deep clean though. And then you guys have seen me talk about this, but I'm obsessed. This little bag, wow. It's like my first piece from Louis Vuitton, and it was, again, spontaneous. Well, I knew what I wanted. I knew I wanted to buy a bag, but I didn't know exactly what one I wanted. And then when I saw this, I was like, this is me. This is me as a bag. I need this bag. It's amazing. I was working hard, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna treat myself.
Ass up and work.
But yeah, it fits a lot. Like, I do recommend, like, if this came in like just a normal monogram or something, I would really recommend it because it's such an everyday good bag because it holds so much. Like, you can literally put everything in it. My phone, my wallet, my sunglasses, everything. It's colourful and fun. So I was like, when I look at this, it just makes me happy, you know. Love this little guy. I've been wearing him a lot recently. Oh, I just love him. And then the last one I'm going to show you guys is my Prada bag. And this was actually gifted to me by Prada. Screaming. Talked about it on my TikTok and my Instagram. But yes, they messaged me and said they want to send me one of their bags from the new collection. So this is it. It's called the Prada Triangle bag. So again, for the size, it's quite big. Like, what do I have in here? I've just got like my wallet, AirPods, Vaseline, and a bunch of like rubbish. Again, so easy to style. So easy to style, so good, so fun. I think this retails for like 1,800 maybe. But I do recommend it. Also, take the clasps off and you can just like wear it at night. Okay guys, so that is it for today's YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see anything else in my wardrobe, like my shoes or jackets or anything. I've got a few other ideas I can do, but I promise I'll be uploading a video a week. I don't have like a designated upload day yet because my life's a bit all over the place. But then I also don't know if I should start doing maybe weekly vlogs. I don't know if you guys want to see that or not. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Peace.